Hi friends, thanks for coming back, and I hope this segment you're going to enjoy because we're calibrating the DJI Osmo 2. That gimbal is fantastic. Stabilizes your video. You can shoot video while walking. So I want to show you how you quickly calibrate so that it works on your phone. But before we do that, make sure that you have the app, the DJI Go app. Download it from App Store, and then you also have to go to the settings of your phone. So when you're at the settings, go to Bluetooth settings. Under Bluetooth, then it will list all your Bluetooth devices. You should find your DJI if it's on. You should find it there. Click on it to pair. Once they are paired, now you're sorted. Go back to your app. Now, the next segment is going to show you step by step on how you calibrate your phone using the app. If you look here, you have these two knobs, the big one and the small one. Now, the reason why these knobs are here is that you are able to calibrate your phone. You need to have your phone, for the first time use, you need to have your phone flat or level like this. But for you to reach this is that you need to open this, open the other one, the small one. So the small one goes in and out. Okay, so if I, for instance, if I push it all out, this is what the phone does. But if you go in a little bit, until you get your level. So you only have to do this once in a while, as long as it doesn't go out of calibration there, then we know we're flat. The surface needs to be flat, and then over here we've opened it. There's slide in and out like that. So you have to push the phone until your phone is flat. If you have a phone cover, I would suggest that you take it out of the phone, because when you start shooting, the phone would heat up quicker when it's covered at the back. So the less anything behind the battery, the better. So there we got it. We're flat, and then we push that. It's going to flick. Right, there it's on. And let's open my phone there. Not you, Siri. Okay. You also need to download an app called DJI Go. So you open your DJI Go. It uses Bluetooth. So your Bluetooth needs to be on, and it will say connect to camera, and then it would list all the DJIs that you have. They already got my name on it, so I just connect to it. Okay, there you go. So this is how the screen looks like. You come to settings, and then you go to gimbal, and then you see calibrate horizontal, or the horizon, and then auto calibrate. Go to auto calibrate, then just accept. Then it has to do all this. So we'll count from 0 until 100 until it's done. So from there you'll be ready to use your DJI Osmo. This gimbal is the best, like the app you're using now. So it's on 46%. It's running quicker. We're halfway there. Now the calibration is sorted, it's done. Did you see how easy it was? Small, petite, take it anywhere, and it works for me. It will work for you. Yeah, until our next tutorial, our next video, please tune in, please subscribe, and then click on the bell there, you know, that bell sign, so that when I upload, then it tells you, it sends you a message of a new video. My name is Neomorapedi, and I'm signing out.